Hello everyone, friends. Weller here. Today I'll show you what to do if there's no sound on your Realm phone. There are several solutions for this. First, try simply restarting your phone. To do this, hold the button on the right and press restart. If that doesn't help, also try turning off Bluetooth, and if you have do not disturb mode on, disable that too. To do this, hold the power button and turn off silent mode. There. Next, if this doesn't help, press the volume rocker, tap the three dots, and turn up the sound everywhere. Maybe it's just not turned on. So if this doesn't help, then go to settings, go to sound settings. Sound. And also turn up the volume here. This might help you. If none of this works, then the only option left is to reset your phone. To do this, type reset. And you'll need to press erase all data, but this will erase everything, though it may fix the sound. That's all for now. This was Weller. Alright, bye.